Welcome everyone, thanks for clicking in on today's video of 10 interesting facts about snails. Just kidding, I got you with that one, didn't I? No, today's video is actually going to be about my 1994 Lexus LS400. And it has 172,000 miles on it. For a 27-year-old car, it runs pretty good. But it's got a terrible exhaust leak. And that's going to be the focus of today's video. I'm going to show you a clip of before with the terrible exhaust leak. And then I'm going to show you a clip of my exhaust afterwards with the Super 10s on there. Sounds really good, and this car has 4 mufflers stock. I removed 2 of them and then replaced the remaining 2 with 2 Super 10s, and it actually sounds really good. It's real nice on the highway. I can have a perfectly fine conversation and I don't have to scream, I don't have to yell. You know, when I'm going 25, that it's idling. You know, it's at like maybe 850, 900 RPM, just cruising. But the nice thing is it's there when I need it. When I want that sucker to be loud, I rev on it and it's there and it sounds good. And I actually get quite a bit of compliments on it. I've been really surprised by that. A lot of people enjoy it. So here's the videos. Enjoy.